What I have here is an example of a PBX switch or a telephone intercom system switch. My emphasis on this video is on the various ports that you can find on this device. And if I talk about ports, I'm talking about all these interfaces meant for connecting devices. So I'll try to explain what each of those ports are used for in this video. Before I even talk about the ports, let me mention that this is the Belter brand. You can find various brands like the Belter, the Soho, and so on and so forth. They all do the same or similar works. When you observe the labels on the ports here critically, you realize that there are two categories of ports on this device. The first group, which is labeled as line, you can see line written here. Let me bring it closer to the camera. You can see line as the label for the first four ports. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. These first four ports are labeled as line, and you realize that the rest of the ports from this point right up to the 16th one here, they are labeled as EXT, normally referred to as extensions. Now let me start the explanation from the extensions, that is from this one to the last one. The extension ports are the points meant for connecting telephone handsets that will work in the telephone intercom system. And so any telephone intercom system that needs to communicate to one another would have been connected to the port labeled extension from 1 up to the 16th one. And for this other ports labeled as line, these are the points through which, let's say if you have an external telephone line or external telephone company whose system you want to connect to this system, so that you'll be able to make calls from any of the telephone handsets connected to the ports here, the extension ports. So that the extension ports can make calls to an outside destination, because without the line connection, you cannot use any of the telephone lines connected to the extension ports to make calls outside of handsets outside this telephone system. Without that, it means you can use an extension 1 to call extension 2, but extension 1 and 2 cannot make calls outside of telephone lines only connected to this system. So the line ports are used to make calls to outside destinations. Outside destination, I mean destinations outside of the telephone intercom system. So that's the essence of the extension ports and the line ports. On some PBX brands, the line ports are referred to as CO lines or central office lines. That is also the same. The function is still the same, and you'll find the other extension ports or the extension ports on such PBX switches also referred to as extension ports. So that's the clear distinction. So this is how the PBX switch functions. But remember, these ports that you find here, they are different from the RJ45 connection jacks. These are ports that receive what we call RJ11 modular plugs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.